Once you get logged into Destiny, you're going to have several options. You'll see your login in the upper right-hand corner, and you use the search bar to find books that you are actually interested in reading. Say I wanted to start off with mystery. I might type mystery into the search box, and up would pop several books that are mystery related. Notice here we have a relevance. If you scroll down, you see that some of these are ebooks and some of them are in person. They are actual physical books. In this class, if we do free reading, I expect that you have a physical book that you are reading. So look for the checked in item. When you click on the book, it's going to give you what the book is about. It'll also give you reviews and the number of copies. The Explore item or Explore tab is going to give you several ways to search for books that are similar to this. If you decide you like this book and that you are interested in it, click the Favorites button. This will be one of the 5 books that you are interested in reading this semester. After you get all 5 selected, put one of them on hold. That way, the librarian will know that you want that book and she will bring it to us. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.